We're going to talk about some key facts as it relates to an introduction to understanding special education. So first, let's talk about what is special education. Special education is specially designed instruction at no cost to the parent to meet the unique needs of a child with a disability. Special education is a service, not a place. Let's start with a brief history of special education. We'll start with Public Law, or PL 94-142. This was then reauthorized and renamed to be the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. That's the federal law in which special education functions under now. If we take a little closer look, the 6 principles of IDEA are the following. Number 1, all children will be served. In the state of Virginia, we service children aged 2 through 21 under our part of the IDEA law. Children will be tested fairly to determine if they will receive services. Schools have a duty to provide individually designed, appropriate programs for every child at no cost to their parents. Children with disabilities will be educated with children who do not have disabilities whenever possible in what we call the least restrictive environment. We call this the LRE. The decisions of the school system can be challenged by the parents. And parents of children with disabilities participate in the planning and decision-making for their child's education. So what are some cornerstones of special education? Bottom line, all children can learn and have a right to receive a free and appropriate public education. This is known as FAPE. And that free, appropriate public education must occur in what we call the least restrictive environment, the LRE. So when we talk about specially designed instruction, what does that mean? It means adapting as appropriate to the needs of an eligible child the content and/or methodology and/or delivery of instruction. This addresses the unique needs of a child resulting from that identified disability to ensure access to the general curriculum in order to meet the educational standards that apply to all children. This is just the surface, but these are a few key facts about the special education process and understanding special education.